Hello everybody, ready for some time traveling with Cyborg? I was scrolling through some footage during the last weeks and I found a lot of old Cyborg videos, stuff we never released and stuff we just recorded for fun. And I thought, maybe let's share this and make some time travel videos with Cyborg. We will start with a progress video from our recording in the studio. So when we recorded Maschine, we made some small progress videos. We put them in our deluxe box on the USB stick. I think there are 50 deluxe boxes out of there, so not that much. And yeah, there was some special footage. Yeah, there was a t-shirt inside and yeah, the CD of course, and yeah, nice metal box. There's like everything sold out. I don't know if there is one left to have a look. Maybe I will show you then in the next videos if I will find one, but I think everything is sold out, so even I don't own one anymore. So let me show you this footage and travel with me to the past where the ISO at 5000 and there were no shotgun mic invented yet. So let's have fun together. I'm Michael from Cyborg. We are working at the moment on our new album. We will release it in summer of this year and this dude will record the drums.
Wie Micha gerade schon gesagt hat, bin ich jetzt hier, um das Schlagzeug aufzunehmen und dann gucken wir mal, dass das geil wird. Von entscheidender Wichtigkeit, dass man bei diesen Aufnahmen auch auf gesunde Ernährung achtet. Deswegen habe ich Spinat auf meiner Pizza.
Yeah, at the moment we are in the middle of our drum recordings. At the moment we are recording the song Sternenschwarz. We are nearly finished and working on the last details of the song.
Ja, ich muss jetzt noch ein bisschen an den Double Bass Grooves schrauben, bis sie alle schön geil sind und dann sind wir hoffentlich gleich fertig mit Sternenschwarz.
So yeah, stay tuned for more.